Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TurboTax how to change bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to change your bank account information in TurboTax, what you need to do is head over and open up your TurboTax app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, if you are in the middle of preparing your tax return, what you need to do is just go to the section where you are inputting or reviewing your bank account details. Then when you reach the refund or payment section, depending on whether you are receiving a refund or making a payment, you'll see the bank account details you initially entered. Then tap edit or change next to the bank account information, and then enter your new bank account details. Once you have updated your bank account details, be sure to save your changes before continuing with rest of the process. Now if you have already filed and want to change your bank account for refund, then what you need to do is you'll need to contact the IRS. You can check your refund status via IRS where my refunds tool, and if needed, request a refund reissue to your new bank account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.